is crisp and neat. Paper dreams between your feet. Lines connect and so precise. Crafting worlds with a slice. Bend and crease these paper trails. Wings take flight from tiny sails. In your hands new forms emerge. Silent beauty, subtle surge. Paper dreams, they start to shine. Simple shapes and perfect line. In each fold a gentle tale. Origami's whispered sail. Fingertips begin to dance. Shapes evolve in pure romance. From a square to something grand. Magic in an artist's hand. Paper dreams, they start to shine. Simple shapes and perfect line. In each fold a gentle tale. Origami's whispered sail. Patterns break and then reform. Chasing shadows, paper storm. Quiet essence lightly spins. Art of folding, life begins. Patterns break and then reform. Chasing shadows, paper